In today's video, we are going to show you how to check your transaction history on Deriv. Whether you want to review your deposits, withdrawals, trades, transfers, or account activity, Deriv makes it easy to track everything directly from your dashboard. So let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials and then look toward the main menu, which can be found in the left side, and scroll down until you find the transaction history. Now, depending on the version of the platform you are using, sometimes it gives you an option through the cashier or reports section. Now, you will see a detailed list of all the account activities, including deposits, withdrawals, transfers, and each entry normally includes the transaction date and time, transaction ID, amount, and the payment method, plus the status of the transactions. Now, on the top right, to make searching easier, Deriv allows you to filter your history. You can usually filter by date range, transaction type, currency, which is especially useful if you're trying to locate a specific deposit or withdrawal. And then you see that you have the option to export or download your transaction history. This can help if you need records for personal tracking, tax purposes, proof of payment, or account verification. And basically, that's how you can quickly check your transaction history on Deriv. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.